What's going on today, you guys? Hey, have you ever changed out Hardie in the field? Well, today we don't have a choice because some fucking reject cut a big hole in my siding, but that's okay. That happens in construction, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wiggle this bad boy out. A lot of guys will say, oh, you need to grind it out, you need to shut the fuck up and just watch me do this, okay? Because you're making it way harder than it needs to be. I'm gonna clean that out. It's gonna leave the nail behind, but it's easy just to get your bar in there and just nail it flat, okay? Simple, yet effective, kind of like me. Now that we have the space in there and all the nail heads are cleared out, we're just going to tuck that right back in here. This is important too. We're going to use a 16 gauge pin nailer for this, okay? I see people on here using a siding nailer through the face. Don't fucking do that, okay? You're making me real mad when you do shit like that, okay? We're going to just hard pass on that, and then we're just going to seal it back up, okay? It's easy does it, just like that. And I even go back, because I'm extra like that, I'll go back and I'll color plus over my pinhead nails. Like it never fucking happened, you guys. Mint when you squint, looks good from my house. Follow for more siding tips.